Hi guys, you are watching Aurora's vlog. Today I will be talking about Brave browser and basic attention token. So stay tuned, and if this is your first time watching Aurora's vlog, don't forget to hit like and subscribe and share it and hit the bell button so you can get an up-to-date of my video uploads. So anyways, let's get this video going. So the reason why I will share this with you about the Brave browsers, if you are just a viewers, you want to watch videos or anything, or you want to browse anything on the internet, the benefits of using the Brave browser is that Brave browsers block any advertisement, play the videos without interruption, and the same token the YouTube creator. Like if you love someone, if you follow someone, and because you will not be able to make money because there is no advertisement that will run with their video, you can help them out by tipping them. And by tipping them, you do not have to come up with your own money, because Brave browsers rewards you for just browsing the internet, for just watching anything or explore the internet. They will give you depends, sometimes they'll give you 30 to 45 to 50 back coins every month, and that token you can use to tip the YouTube creator. And that's what I have been accumulated the last 6 months. And finally I will show you how much I have accumulated, how much I got tipped from my followers. So it's so nice. It works both ways. Your followers can watch your video without the ads, but also you as a creator can make money by having your followers giving you back coins, and they don't even have to come up with our own money, because Brave browsers will give the person who download the Brave browser, and they will be getting 30 to 50 free back coins every month, and they can use it up to tip you as a YouTube creators. Anyways, I will show you how much I have accumulated in the last 6 months. So I'm gonna go to my Uphold dashboard, and this is my Uphold, which is I have accumulated this worth of 607 back coins from the Brave browsers, using Brave browsers by some of my followers who tipped me. So over time, this is how much I got. I have like $228. And so anyways, I want to show you how to transfer this back coins to my Coinbase. So on my Coinbase, let's go back to my dashboard, and I am on my dashboard. Let's go to my account. So I will grab, copy and paste my back coins wallet, and I will paste that to Uphold, so I would be able to transfer all of that amount from my Uphold to my Coinbase. So let's go ahead, click accounts and scroll down all the way to back coins, and currently I have 39 back coins. It is 104 back token, $39 worth, 39.44 cents. It keeps going up. So anyways, so if you want to send your back coins, you click send, but I want to receive. So what I'm going to do, click the send. All right. And then of course it will ask you sending any other digital assets including Ethereum will result in permanent loss. We are in basic attention token wallet, and I'm going to click I understand, and then I would copy and paste the wallet, and I'm going back to my Uphold wallet. Now I have 607.75, and I'm gonna go ahead and scroll down to basic attention token. Alright, we are here now. So select or search destination. So this is where you are going to paste your Coinbase basic attention token wallet. So paste, make sure your first 4 and your last 4 matches with your Coinbase wallet. So let's say I have 0x94 and I have 784E. Let's go back here, 0x94 and 784E. So we have the correct address. And so I could also use all available funds from this card. There you go. So transferring all ET. This is just for my note to self. Okay, to Coinbase. So it is free because since the network is fee is free, it's fine. I can go ahead and click confirm. Alright, so I want to make sure that this is right, 784E, the last one, and OX94. So OX94 784E, so that's correct. Alright, now let's go confirm. Do not send funds directly to crowdfunding or ICO. We will not credit your account with tokens from that sale. I understand. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get my Uphold Google Authenticator. So it is 6 digits. Click confirm. You successfully sent 607.75 back to Ethereum network. So I need to go ahead and go to my email or my Coinbase. So right now it's not showing yet. It is 6:42, but I can go ahead and check my email. Usually the email gets here. So we will get back and we will see how long we have to wait. Okay, it was only about or less than 2 minutes. I received in my Yahoo email that Coinbase letting me know that I have received 607 Bitcoins and 75. And so let's go back to my Coinbase and let's refresh this. It should show on my wallet. There it is. That is wonderful. It says pending 607 Bitcoins and it is worth $228. So this is so wonderful, you guys. Let your YouTube creator know that they can have their followers watch video without watching any kinds of advertisement in the same token. You will still be able to make money by having your followers tip you from the Brave browsers, because Brave Rewards will give 30 to 50 tokens every month to the people who downloaded the Brave browsers, and they can use that token to tip anybody that they like on YouTube. So thank you for watching, and also thank you for watching this cryptocurrency. It's been a while that I have done this kind of video. I believe that's almost close to 2 years since my last one. So anyways, thank you for watching Aurora's vlog, and see you on my next video. Bye bye.